Federal Investigating Agency. Introduction. A federally controlled police establishment first came into existence in 1942, during the Second World War, to take up investigation of corruption rampant in supplies and procurement department of the Government of India. It was named as Special Police Establishment. After the independence in 1947, it was named as Pakistan Special Police Establishment (PSPA). The said establishment was given schedule of offences with the Ordinance 8 of 1948. With the passage of time, the PSPA fared from investigation of the offences of bribery and corruption against central government employees, was given powers to investigate cases relating to the offences. Objective of framing the law of Federal Investigation Agency was to set up an investigating agency to investigate into offences committed in connection with the matters concerning federal government and the matters connected therewith. Though the preamble is not an operative part of the statute, nevertheless it does provide a useful guide for finding out the intention of the legislature and, therefore, cannot be ignored while interpreting the law. Till 2004, primarily role of FIA was to investigate anti-corruption and white-collar crime. But in 2004, the government transferred anti-corruption and economic crime function to the NAB, however, again transferred to FIA with a notification dated the 24th of October 2008. FIA has been dedicated the lead agency in anti-human smuggling and investigating cases of counterfeit currency. FIA's professional mandate. Investigation into specialized and organized crime, immigration and anti-smuggling, personal identification, secure comparison and evaluation system, FIA'S computerized control and exit, anti-human smuggling and trafficking, counter-terrorism, special investigation group, money laundering, excluding narcotics and anti-corruption proceed, automated fingerprint identification systems (AFIS), cybercrime and plastic money fraud, intellectual property rights (IPR), Interpol, National Central Bureau, National Criminal Database (NCDB), forensic and technical support, training and capacity building. Wings of FIA. Origins. Prime Minister Bhutto visioned the FIA as equivalent to American FBI, which not only protects the country from internal crises, but also from foreign suspected threats. Therefore, he established the FIA on the same pattern. Failures. FIA has become a tool to carry out political agendas of politicians.